Hello and welcome to today's video review. My name is Maverick and today we're going to be discussing about dropshipping tech products. Possibly you might have heard about dropshipping and you're wondering, oh, I think tech products are going to be cool. I want to go for this. I want to try tech products. I want to sell tech products because I like tech products. I feel it's going to sell. Now, one thing you need to know about business entirely is that what sells is not what you think. See an opportunity and you immediately plug your socket to tap the electricity. That is what works. It's not about what you like, it is about what is selling in the market that is going to make you money. Now, in case you're wondering if dropshipping tech products is a good one, then let's discuss about this, and possibly by the time you're done with today's video, you will be able to know exactly if this is the right decision for you to make. First thing we have to discuss is if this is profitable. If you're dropshipping tech product, well, it is for someone who probably wants to specialize in a certain product and buy in bulk. Okay. However, several guys are doing dropshipping, okay, and are making money with tech products, and they are making money. And if that is what you want to do, it is not bad, all right. But one thing you need to know is that it's very good for someone who want to specialize on a certain product in that tech niche. So possibly maybe you want to specialize on only power banks, okay, and you're like, okay, wow, I want to dropship power banks, then it is much good. And the reason for this is because tech products is not like other type of products. Possibly you have to be in partnership with a good company, and this is the only way you will be able to get in products from time to time. Okay, so tech products are not just products whereby you can easily just get out of the blue, okay, like other type of products in the fashion or other niches out there. All right, talking about the capital requirements, as much as I would say not much capital is needed, you will need to have huge capital to get started, except if you're a content creator. Okay, if you're a content creator, maybe you have the audience already, you can create content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, which is also known as X, then it's fine. Okay, any one of them whereby you're creating content, you have the audience. So that way, if you get an order, you could easily just drop ship them to your customer. But if you're the kind of person whereby you do not have the audience, possibly you're relying on adverts, then much capital might be needed than you ever imagine. Talking about the important facts about dropshipping tech product, the first one is the less expensive for content creator, okay, with ready-made audience to buy. It is less expensive for content creators because it is easy to get approval for buying directly from the manufacturer. If you are a content creator, you have the proof to show the manufacturer that, okay, fine, this is my audience, I can bring you the sales. Just give it to me, just sell them to me, and sell them in box. It can help you to earn more. But if you're not a content creator, you have no proof. Just people want to see audience proof. All right, so you have no proof to show, which might want to hinder you a bit in this aspect. So if you're relying on paid ads, then this might be a little bit expensive for you also, okay, as those manufacturers won't approve. Another thing is that if you are someone who possibly want to get started with paid adverts by doing dropshipping, then one thing you need to know is that you really won't be approved by the large chain, okay. Yes, because they supply the retailers, okay, so you might be needing to buy from stores who are selling much costlier than large chains. All right, so those large chains don't just sell in bulk to any other person. That is what you need to know. So it might cost you a little bit more if you're getting started. All right, since you do not have any proof. All right, and also shipping can even be a problem for some people, except for tech accessories. If you're studying tech accessories, then possibly the weight and everything might be much lesser, okay. But if you're selling heavier products, okay, possibly like a computer, a laptop or whatever, this was mine. Now, not really be a problem though, but the shipping cost can be a little bit on the high side. Another thing is that most people who sell tech products online without owning them as inventory are mostly affiliate marketer who just collect commission for referrals. Okay, so more way you can do this is by doing affiliate marketing with it. So without having to hold inventory, you just have to send traffic and you get your referral commission. All right, but I'm not saying you should do affiliate marketing. I'm just giving you an idea of those who are doing it without having to invest money into it. All right, so that is what I have for you in today's video. And talking about my final verdict, I would suggest you join the tech company and market for them, okay. If you are the person that do not have much funds at hand, I would suggest you join a tech company and market for them. All right, or you can start creating tech related content on TikTok. Okay, the reason why I suggest TikTok is that it's more easier because there's nothing like keyword research there. That way you just upload content that you're interested in, the tech product, and you can have audiences that are pre-ordering. Once they order in bulk, you can sell to them. All right, compared to you relying on paid ads all the time. That way you can get started with it before you go straight to paid adverts, and you can use paid adverts to amplify your process. All right, so that is it. In case you've also dropshipped tech products in the past, you can let us know in the comment box. It's gonna help a whole lot of people to make the best decision when it comes to dropshipping tech products. It will help a lot of people, a lot of beginners, a lot of people who don't know jack about dropshipping, and from there we all can be good together. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And also don't forget to hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And drop your thoughts in the comment below if you have any experience about dropshipping tech product. For real, it's going to help a whole lot of people. We are all on this internet marketing journey to help each other succeed and make money online. And also, if you want to research on the best tech products to sell, maybe trending tech products that you can go into and possibly you can sell, then you can use a platform like Ecom Profit Up to research the tech best products that are others and they are selling wide fast. Ecom Profit Hub, they post hourly updates of products, best products that are readily available, and they are orders and they are selling as quick. So you can use Ecom Profit Hub to get best tech products to sell. That way you won't have to be guessing on exactly what is working, but that way you're selling exactly what is working and what people are buying. So I recommend Ecom Profit Hub, and for you to get started with them, I would suggest you click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see the link there. You can go straight to them and you can possibly start using them to research on your best tech products, and you can make a whole lot of money. Okay, you're gonna be getting the whole lot of tech products there, which you can possibly get your hands into and research, invest into your time, money, energy, whichever one you can invest into them, and you can start making a whole lot of sales. Try out Ecom Profit Up and you will never regret using them. Click the link in the video description or check the screen, is gonna be there, and I'm gonna see you right there at the other hand.